Navigating English. Uncovering the secrets of describing distances. Hello and welcome back to our series on learning English. Today, we'll be diving into the topic of travel and transportation, specifically focusing on asking for directions and how to describe distances. Our key focus words for this lesson are close, near, and far. By the end of this video, you should be comfortable using these words to ask for and give directions. Let's get started. First off, let's understand what these words mean. Close and near both mean not far away in distance. They are often used interchangeably, although near might suggest slightly more distance than close. Far, on the other hand, means a great distance away. Let's see them in sentences. 1. The supermarket is close. 2. My house is near the park. 3. The cinema is far from here. We can also use these words to compare distances. When doing so, we usually add an to the end. This changes the meaning slightly. Closer and nearer mean more near than another place or time. Farther means more far away than another place. Examples. 1. My school is closer to my house than the supermarket. 2. The library is nearer to me than the gym. 3. My cousin's house is farther from the city center than my house. We often use the prepositions to, and, from, with, close, near, and far. This helps specify the place or object we are referring to. Close to and near to mean not far away in distance from a specific place or object. Far from means a great distance away from a specific place or object. Let's look at these in sentences. 1. The cafe is close to the museum. 2. The hotel is near to the airport. 3. The village is far from the city. There you have it. Now you should be able to use close, near, and far to describe distances and ask for directions effectively. Remember, practice is key to mastering any new vocabulary, so try to use these words in your everyday English. Thank you for watching and keep exploring English with us. See you in the next lesson.